Mayor Rohit Monseratte, while alleging that the smart city work plans were passed in the former mayor's regime, did not give any assurance of controlling floods in Panjim.
See, in terms of the flooding issue and all, now CCP we've desilted all our drains, we've opened up all those old Portuguese drains. Whatever we've done now, people do. The cross drains also would have not been cleared earlier. Also, we've done all of those things. Also. See, now during high tide, even I cannot do anything. It is impossible. There is nothing that we can do about that. Nobody's trying to absolve anything. What I'm saying is now, see, we've spoken to PWD minister, we've spoken to CM, we've spoken to everybody. See, now we need to do planning in terms of the overall drainage network of Panjim. See, now this has built during the COVID. I'm saying until we look at the whole drainage network as a whole, nothing is going to change. So this is a pipe.
Meanwhile, the former mayor of CCP Uday Madkekar raked up the Sopo collection issue at the meeting, alleging that it is a scam amounting to lakhs of rupees.
Was one obviously was that whole Sopo issue. That was the one thing that was discussed. Now, as part of the thing, like we said also, now Uday and Suresh presented all those Sopo slips. Now, that same person who was involved in taking that money, who was there in the video, we have de-rostered him now. And now we want to conduct a thorough investigation. It should be like we blame only the one person who was caught and not to get anything else. Also. So now we want to follow everything. If we are blaming the supervisor, we want to see who the supervisor names. The supervisor names somebody else. Also. So we want to catch everybody in that line.
Prasad Polji for Herald TV.